Now in parts of East Texas, it actually doesn't look too bad right now there in Longview. Just a few clouds around, but it's really how you feel when you step outside. It's very soupy, it's very humid, and it's kind of gross. You'll be sweating within 10 minutes if you're doing anything active outdoors. Now, let's go ahead and check out what we are seeing as far as our temperatures go, because this has been a story to start out the week. As we look at our temperatures, we are generally in the lower 80s across most of the area. Where we just showed you in Longview, we're at 83. It's now down to 81 in Tyler because of a shower moving through there. 79 in Nacogdoches. Lufkin is at 82 degrees. I mentioned it's soupy. That's because those dew points are high, upper 60 and lower 70-degree dew points. And part of the reason why is how strong these southerly winds are, anywhere from about 15 to 25 miles per hour. Okay. Let's go ahead and zoom out because there is a ton of stuff going on this map, and a few of these things will result in the threat of strong to severe thunderstorms a little later on as we move into tonight and very early tomorrow morning. So tropical moisture continues to stream into East Texas and portions of Louisiana, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. That's kind of riding along that dry line there. And you can see the warm front off to the north, storm system well off to our northwest, and the dry line and the cold front, they're going to be moving in our direction, which will trigger a few showers and thunderstorms. But what the dry line means is we have all the humidity and Gulf moisture to the east of the dry line, while out to the west, that is where it's very dry and windy, and that's why you have your fire danger between the cold front, the dry line, out in West Texas, and that has been a major story over the last 24 hours with multiple fires being reported. Not a lot through midnight, kind of like what we're seeing right now, maybe a shower or two, but as we move into about 4 o'clock in the morning, that is when we're going to start to see a few showers and thunderstorms begin to bubble up out to our west. Now note the time. This is going to be a nocturnal storm event for us, so you need to find ways to receive those warnings that will wake you up. Make sure you take your phone off of Do Not Disturb if that's how you get your weather alerts, and turn on that weather radio because these storms will be loud as they move through tomorrow morning. This is 4 o'clock in the morning. Mineola, just to the west of Athens, that's where the storms are going to be, and the line continues to push off to the south and to the southeast, but it may weaken as it does so, and by 11 o'clock in the morning, the severe weather threat will begin to come to an end. Level 2 risk of severe weather here in the slight risk. That's where most of East Texas is at this point. Deep East Texas, it's a marginal risk, but the higher risk is to the north of Interstate 20, Mineola, Gilmer, Mount Pleasant, Sulphur Springs under that enhanced threat of severe weather. And it is certainly possible that tonight we could see a strong tornado or two for our northeastern counties, but I really think most of this is going to occur off to our northeast and parts of Arkansas, where we do have the better upper air support. Damaging wind gusts, tornadoes, large hail, and even flash flooding, especially in deep East Texas. They are all in play this evening. So as I stated earlier,